This vault right here contains one of Wall Street's best kept secrets, and it's all right here in this calendar that I'm holding in my hands right now. You see, this calendar has revealed the exact dates a select group of stocks were about to skyrocket. I'm talking about gains of up to 357.53%. And if you click here right now, I'll show you how you could use this simple calendar to potentially see triple-digit gains in your portfolio every single year. Just take a look at my pal Scott. Following my trade alerts and strategies, he's currently up $46,500 in his stock portfolio. Now, Scott isn't some genius trader or Wall Street insider or even some stock market guru. He's just your typical everyday trader. But what gives him an unfair advantage over every other trader out there is his calendar right here. And if you click here right now, I'll show you how you could use it to do the same. You see, Wall Street doesn't trade like you and I. They don't just trade when they think a stock is going to go up, or when their fancy schmancy indicators align, or even when they see some insider movement. In truth, Wall Street trades on a repeating calendar, and it gives them simple, consistent way of making profits time after time, again and again. You see, Wall Street has a list of what I like to call primetime stocks, which are stocks that have been shown to explode up to 357.53% plus on the exact same day every single year for the past 10 years. Can you imagine that? I'm talking about stocks like Amedisys, which has gone up every year in January, or like Thermo Fisher Scientific, which has gone up every year in November. Even Adobe, which has gone up every year in December. Now, these primetime stocks have exploded year after year for the past 10 years on the exact same day. That's why when you put them all on one calendar, you could potentially be trading winner after winner, generating huge profits in the process. And if you click this ad right here, right now, I'll reveal dozens of primetime stocks just like these and the exact dates that you should trade them on. Look, if you had placed just one Adobe trade on the same day every single year, you could have easily turned $1,000 into over $100,000. Now, imagine doing this with multiple stocks at the same time. You'd never have to worry about money again. Wall Street's been trying to keep this primetime stocks tightly hidden for years now, but our proprietary algorithms have finally reverse engineered Wall Street's secret calendars, which has helped us create the very calendar that I'm literally holding in my hand right now. It contains the exact dates each primetime stock has exploded in the past, giving those who have this calendar a chance to exploit Wall Street's secrets and potentially amass a huge fortune. In fact, as I take a look at this calendar right now, there's one primetime stock whose date is coming up soon. And if you click here right now, I'll reveal everything you need to know to capitalize on it. Imagine getting an extra $46,500 in your portfolio like Scott did. You could buy a new car, get rid of all your debt, or help your children build out an IRAs, which is what Scott did. And he's not the only one who's experienced the power of primetime stocks. Karen C., she wrote us saying, I've made $4,200 in 6 weeks, and I've been a member with 2 weeks out to take care of her mother. Man, I love that. How about Rick F.? Told us that he's using his $10,500 in profit to put money away for his kids' college tuition. I'm up $10,500 now. Wow. Linda P. told us how life-changing working with us has been for her grandkids, and her grandchildren. My portfolio is up this year almost $30,000. It's not just the money, it's no stress. And let's not forget Scott S., who wrote in saying, since I started, I'm up $46,500, and I've been using the money to help build IRAs for 5 children. Man, that sounds great. He's a forward-thinking man. I can't wait to see what kind of results you achieve. Remember, the next primetime stock is about to pop. Click here now to get in on the next winner and potentially see gains of up to 357.53% on your trade.